on this 2010 to 2017 Honda Accord with the 2. For gas engine, U0104 is a communication code on the VSA control unit side of the FCAN network. In plain terms, the VSA unit may not be hearing properly from the module tied to this code. The vehicle may set warning lights, may disable some stability-related functions, or may act normal while the fault is only intermittent. Broadly, this can come from a possible power or ground issue at the transmitting module, a connection problem, or an open on the FCAN-H or FCAN-L lines. Start with the basic system checks, and if other codes are present, check what they mean first without getting pulled away from the U0104 path. Before going after the CAN wiring, make sure the multipurpose camera unit has its voltage supply and ground. A loss of voltage supply or ground at the transmitting control unit can store this kind of communication code, so do not skip that basic check and jump straight into wiring. Turn the vehicle to on mode, clear the DTC with the HDS. Then turn the vehicle to OFF, lock mode, start the engine and check for DTCs again with the HDS. If U0104 comes back, continue into the circuit check. If it does not come back, treat it as an intermittent fault for now. At that point, the system is okay at this time. So inspect for poor connections or loose terminals at the multipurpose camera unit and at the VSA modulator-control unit. If captured data is available for the code, try to reproduce the same conditions instead of guessing. With the vehicle in OFF, lock mode, disconnect the VSA modulator-control unit 38P connector. Then disconnect the transmitting control unit connector for the code you are working on. For U0104, that path is the multipurpose camera unit. During connector setup, jump the SCS line with the HDS and wait more than 1 minute before continuing. The goal here is to isolate the FCAN-H and FCAN-L circuits between the VSA unit and that transmitting unit. Still in vehicle OFF, lock mode, check continuity between the receiving control unit and the transmitting control unit on both the FCAN-H circuit and the FCAN-L circuit. If both circuits have continuity, the FCAN-H and FCAN-L wires are okay at this time, and the U0104 path points to replacing the multipurpose camera unit. If continuity is not present, repair the open in the FCAN-H and / or FCAN-L wiring between the VSA modulator control unit and the multipurpose camera unit. Keep verification separate from the circuit test. After the repair, run the same code check again. Clear the DTC with the HDS, turn the vehicle to OFF, lock mode, start the engine and check for DTCs. The takeaway is simple. For U0104, confirm the code first, verify power and ground at the multipurpose camera unit, then prove the FCAN-H and FCAN-L paths before condemning the module. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.